Our team during routine inspection had come across this suspicious supply of paneer, wherein, for example, if a team was going on inspection on the 7th, our team used to find paneer with the date of 7th manufactured in Mumbai. So this raised suspicious, and then what we did is we tracked down to find from where this paneer is coming, and with all this we carried out a thorough planning. Today our team waited at the Patra Devi border during the late night, and around 1:30 AM we detained this vehicle which had arrived from Islampur, where this paneer was being manufactured, and we followed the vehicle right up to this unit here in Porvorim, which is belonging to this modern dairy. And here what was being done is that labels were being printed here and stamped with dates, different dates. So paneer without label was being brought to this place, and different dates were being stamped at this place, which is a clear-cut violation of the Food Safety and Standards Act. The license also of this place is only for storage and wholesale, but repackaging activity, because there is a vacuum packing machine inside, was also being done, which was again misleading the consumers. So here we have a number of products that we have taken up in our investigation. Also there are some mismatch of dates, like you see this curd here. The manufacturing date of this curd today is shown as 9, and today is just 7 and it's 9. So this is the way by which they were misleading the people. I have my colleague here, Rajaram Patil, who will give you more details on the other products that we have checked.